Good evening, everyone. This is January 2019, paper 1C. In this session, I will discuss question 5 and 6. So, first one, hot molten sulfur react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Describe what is seen when a sample of hot molten sulfur is lowered into a gas jar. So, it will burn with a blue flame. Sulfur dioxide gas is formed during the reaction between dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium thiosulfate. A salt and the water are also formed. So we have to write a balance equation for this reaction. So we have sodium thiosulfate, which is Na2 SO3. Sodium sulfate. So sodium sulfate is there, not thiosulfate, reacted with HCl, a chemical equation which gives a salt. So the salt here will be sodium chloride plus water plus sulfur dioxide. When we balance the equation, we start with oxygen followed by hydrogen. So we have 3 oxygen on the left hand side, we have 3 oxygen on the right. So oxygen is balanced. About hydrogen, 2 hydrogen on the right, so we should have 2 hydrogen on the left. So hydrogen is also balanced. Then to balance sodium and chlorine, we'll write 2. The apparatus can be used to collect the pure dry sample of sulfur dioxide gas. The purpose of a silica gel, it is a drying agent used to dry the gas. Name the method used in the diagram to collect sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, this method is called downward delivery or upward displacement of air. State the physical property of sulfur dioxide gas that allowed to be collected in this way. It is having high density than air. That's why we are collecting in this pattern. A sample of sulfur dioxide react with water to form an acidic solution. Identify the acid. So it will form sulfurous acid. Few drops of methyl orange indicator. State the color. So methyl orange indicator, it will be red. Give a formula which is responsible for this color. Hydrogen ion is there, acid, and an alkali is added. So what will be the color change? It will turn into orange. A student investigates the rate of a reaction between magnesium ribbon and dilute hydrochloric acid. The product are magnesium chloride and hydrogen. The equation, we have to add state symbol metal in a solid state, acids aqueous. Most chlorides are soluble except mercury, silver and lead. So this will be aqueous and hydrogen will be a gas. The student uses the pieces of apparatus in his experiment. He this is his method. He cleaned the strip of magnesium to remove oxide layer and poured 50 cm cube of 0.5 mole per dm cube hydrochloric acid. Then put a clean magnesium and quickly put a bung and record the volume of a gas. Suggest why student clean the magnesium ribbon to remove oxide layer to increase the rate of reaction. Because magnesium oxide will react slowly. Suggest why student need to put a bung into a flask quickly so the gas does not escape. Suggest when the student should start the stopwatch, the moment when placing the bung, at the same time he should start the timer. The graph shows the result of the student's experiment. Use your graph, find the volume of a gas in a syringe, 1 minute. So we'll draw a line from 1 minute and two boxes. So each box is representing one. So this will be 22 cm cube of a gas is collected after 1 minute. Use your graph, find a time when the reaction stop. So reaction stop when there is no change in the volume. So this will be the time interval. Each is representing 1. So this is 5.1, 2 and 3 minutes. So at 5.3 minutes the reaction is stopped. So this was 22 and here it is 5.3. So just two possible reasons why the reaction stopped. So what could be a reason? Maybe magnesium used up, or maybe the acid completely reacted. Explain when the rate of a reaction is greatest, in the beginning or at the start. And the reason is that because more particles, so greater collision, that's why faster rate in the beginning. Explain how increasing the concentration of hydrochloric acid affect the rate of a reaction with magnesium. So when we increase the concentration, increasing a concentration will have more particles in unit volume, increase number of collision, which alter the rate of this reaction. So this was question 6 from January 2019, paper 1C.